Hi everyone, this is Nicole from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going to be going through the band press from your ACE home-based maintenance program. So I'm going to show the exercise and then give you a modification to make it a bit harder and easier. As always, you want to pick an intensity that works for you and feels like a comfortable challenge. We also have a disclaimer up on our website, so make sure you check that out before you get started. And if you have any further questions, you can always email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. So for the band press, we're going to need an anchor spot. So you want to make sure you have a nice secure location to put your bands around. With this one, we want to try keep the band about chest height if possible. For this one, we're going to be working our chest muscles. So top of the chest here, those pectoral muscles. You're going to take one of each handle in the hand, and I actually want you to flip around and face away from your anchor. I like doing a staggered stance, so I'm nice and strong in this position. Again, nice tall posture. Core is engaged. We're thinking open chest. And then with this one, palms are going to face the ground. I want you to engage that core to keep your body completely still and use those chest muscles to push the bands forward and nice control on the way back. Big press forward, control on the way back. To make this a little bit easier on the chest, and if you have some shoulder issues, you can also keep the hands facing together and push forward from there, ensuring that nothing moves except for those arms. To make this harder or easier, we're going to take a step away for harder or closer to your anchor to make it a little bit easier here. And that's your band press.